Sir. Sir.
12 years old.
What's her name?
I gave her command coin. I told her, I give command coins to battlefield commanders. She's in the battlefield. Bailey Hall, right?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm Melissa.
Yeah, my mother said that sounds closest to the heart. Packers, huh?
Yes. Yes, just let them.
Back in the 1900s, Dawson Springs was a place where people came to be healed because of the mineral waters. Literally, it was a place you came to heal. Now it's our turn to help the entire town to heal. And I intend to do whatever it takes as long as it takes to support your state, your local leaders, and as you recover and rebuild, because you will recover and you will rebuild. You know, the scope and scale of this destruction is almost beyond belief. When you look around here, it's just almost beyond belief. These tornadoes devoured everything in their path. And, as I flew over here in the helicopter, you can look down and you see a house 20 yards away from a house that's devastated, and the house is in good shape. I mean, it's just, tornadoes are such devastating storms. Back where I'm from, we're used to hurricanes and floods and high water, but these tornadoes are just something totally different. And they're not, it devoured everything in the path, your homes, your businesses, your houses of worship, your dreams, your lives. And to all the families here, keep the faith. We're going to get this done. I promise you, the governor's not walking away, your county judge is not walking away, your congressman's not walking away, no one's walking away. We're in this for the long haul.